Hello everybody, my name is Firestar01 here, and today we are playing Lifeboat. What? Server. Too many random people. Let's get this done. How about all VIPs team? Because I don't feel like doing this with people. Oh yay, an iron sword. Oh, I just missed. What? There's one inside? Oh my god. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Yeah. No, there was a chest inside. I so did not know that. Hey, bro! Watch it! I'm recording here. Oh, God, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to hit her. If I need to. Ow! What the frick? Ah! I can't TP far enough away. There we go. Yeah. I need health. Boy! Motherfucker! Shit. I'm not too happy about that. Wait, who killed me? Why'd he kill me? Ignore all the people talking. Just to ignore all the people talking. Wibisky, Wibisky. I give up. Game's too hard. Whatever. I'll do one more game. I've played this map before. Not very happy about it. I've played it. Can we just let the timer run, please? Oh, look, there's Deathmatch Arena. Minute 30. Come on. Damn it. Saying that just in case. Throw. Go, go, go. It wasn't really good. Damn it. I've lost this already. Well, that does it for this video. I don't know when I'll record next. See you later.